Jamaican international track legend Usain Bolt to be honored with commemorative banknote. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Multi-Olympic and world champion Usain Bolt will soon be commemorated in a value note as part of a memorabilia series honoring the best in athletics. Top Legend, a sport and entertainment memorabilia company, will be creating a series of memorabilia banknotes for athletes, starting with track legend Usain Bolt as part of a commemorative series. The announcement was made last week in a press release about the release of an exclusive commemorative value note of Hackney legend Wayne Gretzky. According to the release, Top Legends combined with the 21st century technology with an old printing techniques to produce their banknotes using similar methods that national government used to print currency. Future legends will be announced for additional individual series ranging from sports heroes to entertainment icons. The series, which will surround athletes, kicking off with the greatest sprinter of all time, Usain Bolt, the statement said. It is the latest honor that Bolt has received, with a statue expected to be unveiled in Myanmar, Florida on the 15th. The statue is located in Ansing Sports Complex in Myanmar, and Bolt is expected to arrive in Florida on July 14 and will also hold clinics for prospective athletes. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.